100% talent. Every week we out here promote yourself, promote the show. I want to have members to promote the music said, you know. We can't forget ourselves. Each week, yeah, member for promote. Come out, look the vote them. Big up the competition said we. Yeah. But you're reading the DJ Smokey.
Chopper record.
I remember say one nation, you know. So big up on yourself. Well, here I go on. A couple subject yet she don't own a topic. No afraid did I run me know she woulda got it. Like crime coulda stopped me know you woulda stop with the problem them in the jacket. If she beg me a bills me nah search my pocket. First them time I hear a John know me nah have it. Long time now me gonna go up me closet. Me know how fear up no time looks so tragic. Hey Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Dear Prime Minister, hey dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me sister. Prime Minister, hey dear Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Dear Prime Minister, hey dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me. Watch I know, when since butterflies start make honey to me, who we now have the most money. When since we start love nectar, big up to every private sector, big up to 100 some me get a job. Call me little sister, I'm a nah but I rap. Dear Prime Minister, dear Prime Minister, dear Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Prime Minister, dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me sister. Prime Minister, hey dear Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Prime Minister, dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me sister. Watch I know, I went since this start look does. Big up on yourself, 100% talent every time, you know. Hey you Prime Minister, hey you Prime Minister, me a ball for my sister. Hey, that's a big of myself. Hey baby, I tell you, very talented artist, you know. Bad singer, you know what I mean? Our General, Judge, our General. Does he, you know?
Yeah. But artist doesn't. You always afford with a message. You see me I deal with always a defend righteousness, always a defend a standard of living. You see me I deal a stick out, a stand out for the poor. You see me I deal with them. Respect that and love that. You see me? At the same time I think that song they should have been delivered with more aggression. Cause when we are talking about the Prime Minister and we are talking about Babylon system, we don't run joke. You know what the thing go, we deal with them serious. You over them I deal with, so at them energy them want with the song. You see me? Cause the song itself potent, the lyrics potent, but we want the energy so we feel it. Cause when we talk about Prime Minister and a joke thing, you over them I deal with. So with that said, me give you a 7, see you way.
Alright, thank you for that, our General. Yes, Steve Abolisher.
Same thing, you know, cause as we say, when doesn't afford out, we can't expect nothing but this message from doesn't. You see me I say? So me give doesn't I eat for that said way.
Thank you for that.
Yeah man, dozen for the next president, yeah? Yeah man, the man political, you know, music and I preach the righteousness, you understand what I say? And we love that cause we need to hear that, you understand what I say? And hope it fall upon the right ears too. You get what I say? So with that being said, your performance is upon the usual dozen level, you understand? So we know dozen vibes and we know dozen level already, you understand what I say? So I could just give one 8 on that one day.
Alright, that's a big up yourself, what you mean? Hey, the man I reach out to the Prime Minister, you know. They don't know a thing. All as I say, 100% talent Jamaica. You know, we're moving artists to another level. Big up all the judges.